We want to be representing our kind. And our kind is very hardworking. Seen it? Come and look at this. It's just blue. And it'll be clean in a moment. Get the ceiling. Come look at this. Get down on your hand. Get down on one knee. Get the ceiling really good. And the walls. Look at that. You know, and then every once in a while, rinse out your steel wool. God, my hands feel blue. Alright. You take your washcloth you already have set up. Wipe. Look at that. It's coming out nicely, isn't it? Someone should be setting up the dishes right now. So, we can cut. Right. Now. See how it's looking nice already? Somebody's gonna come up here and want to use the microwave. They don't want to set their food on dirty shit, you know? Look how chilly it is out there. Get the inside of the door. Yeah. You gotta be very ginger with it. Man, it could break like crazy. I mean, like, this ain't like going downstairs and having a box of raisins. We're not queers. Alright. As soon as you feel that it is clean enough for someone to be happy about it, then you can quit. Alright? Now, a clean microwave needs a clean tray. So what we do here, empty out the sink. Look at this thing. Comes in handy for when you need to rinse it. Take a steel wool because it goes faster. This plaque. You know the plaque on your teeth? Steel wool. All the way, man. Use steel wool on your teeth. It will get rid of gingivitis. Nobody likes to have gingivitis or be around that, you know. It's not sanitary. Like, I go into McDonald's, it's just like, yeah, retard. And, when you're done here, take a try. What the fuck? Someone didn't watch my training video, so I'm using a bath towel to dry a dish off. What the fuck? Alright, what are you doing here? Go over like this, come here. Make sure the spinning wheel is in the microwave. Make sure it fits, like that. Just set it in there, there's hair. It's a little gross. And look at that. Oh, oh, oh. Thank you for watching how to clean a microwave for people that don't know how to clean microwaves. The mentally challenged, as I refer to. Thank you. I wanted to fill in and apologize to ones that watch my videos, and you know, I messed up. See, come look at this. There's still blue. I missed a spot. So we're gonna continue the microwave experiments. As you've seen before, we're gonna continue using a washcloth. The door's not done. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I can't believe I had someone film me doing this. I messed up. I feel like a piece of crap. I feel like I just got punched in the belly like 6 times by my dad. Like, I can't waste people's time, man. I mean, like, people watch these and they see the videos and they're like, what the fuck is he doing? He missed a spot. Well, not anymore. I noticed. I noticed what I did wrong. And then, once you feel like it's done, like I said before, it's not really done. You have to check it twice. My saying is measure twice and cut once. Simple as that, right? Look at that. Brand new, brand new. That looks like one you would buy out of the store, but not really, because this one's been pretty old. It's a digital clock. Look at this thing. 12:38 p.m. local time. Well, that was a video of mistakes by the retard.